This is a book by Manda Quevedo, packaged up really nicely in this little plastic bag that perfectly fits the size of the book. Awesome. Now I know that she prints this herself and binds everything with saddle stitch herself on this nice matte black paper, the photo right on top, and her very expensive stapler, which she talks about in our interview together. And this book is called Common Views. Let's see, does it say what year it came out? Back here. It was printed in March 2018 and 2018, so a pretty recent book. Good texture to the paper here. The first image is an arrow on the street printed over top of another arrow in the opposite direction. And then a photo of a car and a plant and some shoes, some beautiful colors, blue car and blue shoes and blue potted plant. And a blue volleyball or helmet or something in the sea of shrubbery. And a rainbow mess all on the concrete floor, the sidewalk. And a car totally destroyed. Let's see. If you look at the other book that we reviewed with her, you can see that there's a theme of cars and plants and destruction and objects kind of lost in their environment. This has some beautiful sunset photos of a town. And a woman's arm sticking out of a car, and the flowers on her shirt match the flowers in her dashboard, match her car. And I'm assuming that this is water leaking out of the pipe here in the building, coming down the wall, staining the wall, and allowing this little plant to grow. And here we have a heart-shaped piece of concrete in a field of grass on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side we have a heart-shaped balloon in a concrete field. Awesome. We have this fake deer with, oh my god, this is so good. It's snowing here. This is the same photo from the cover. It's funny, it looks a lot different here with the white surrounding it than it does here, the black surrounding it. Do you notice that? Leave a comment if you do. This is a photo of a bunch of cable wires, or like electrical wires, all tangled up by the highway here. Maybe winter or early spring. And a diptych now of police tape on parking lot, you can see here, with, on the other side, I'm guessing an escalator with a beer on it. And on the next page you have a traffic cone shoved inside of a hole in the street. And is that a used condom there? I can't tell, I don't think so. And this is a photo of paint peeling off a wall. I'm not quite sure what's happening here. You guys can check it out. I think it's keys hanging from the wall. Here we have another diptych, a larger photo on the left of the entire outside of this building with a mural of a tree with flowers blooming. And then on the other hand side you have what appears to be a wall with a wallpaper of this foliage with some graffiti on it. It's missing some, just some graffiti on it. Here we have a photo of a dead deer on the side of the road with a two get well soon balloons next to it. And on the next page we have what appears to be a plane or a shooting star, or definitely a very ethereal photo. And that's the end of the book. Common Views by Manda Quevedo. She's an awesome artist from Pennsylvania. Definitely check her out. Check out her website and her publishing company, Quiet Pages.